There is nothing that will make your business grow faster than to be top of mind when your customer needs you to solve their problem.
Being top of mind should be the goal of virtually any business. This simply means that when someone has a problem that they need solved, they think of you as the solution. When this happens, you attract people at the perfect time to become your customer.
Video is the easiest way to do that. Start by creating valuable content that will help your ideal customer solve a problem they have. Show them how your products, service, or experience can help make their lives better. If you're a yoga studio owner, show them how yoga could help them live a healthier lifestyle. If you're a retail store, show them how something that you have will help them enjoy their life a little bit more. And if you're a real estate professional, help with tips that will help them buy or sell a home. Give them value and start creating a trusting relationship.
Next, target your videos to a specific audience. Find the people in your market that most need your product or service. Facebook has created the easiest way to do that through their audience targeting. This will help you zero in on the people that are most likely to buy from you.
Finally, retarget the people that watch your videos to make sure that they see your future videos. Again, Facebook makes this very easy to do with the Facebook Ads Manager. Create an audience of the people that watched or engaged with all of your videos and ensure that they see your next video.
This will help you stay top of mind with the people that are most likely to become your customers and remind your past customers of the way you help them solve their problem.